The Central Board of Direct Taxes, CBDT, has extended the deadline for filing belated and revised income tax returns, ITRs, for the assessment year AY 2024 to 25 for resident individuals. The new deadline is now set for January 15, 2025, moving it from the earlier due date of December 31, 2024. The decision comes as a relief to individuals who may have missed the original deadline or need to make revisions to their filed returns. The CBDT has urged taxpayers to make use of this extended time to ensure accurate and complete filing of their returns. A public interest litigation, PIL, filed by the Chamber of Tax Consultants challenged disabling of Section 87A rebate claims through the filing utility. The PIL contended that changes made to the tax filing utility after July 5, 2024, arbitrarily prevented taxpayers from claiming the rebate under Section 87A. The Bombay High Court has granted relief in a number of cases, including tax relief. The Bombay High Court granted tax relief to taxpayers who were unable to claim rebates due to software changes in the income tax filing platform. The court ordered an extension for filing revised returns, enabling refunds for those affected. Final judgment will be on January 9, 2025. Individuals should verify their Form 26AS and other relevant documents to avoid any discrepancies when filing. Belated ITR taxpayers who missed the original deadline for filing their ITR must submit their belated return by January 15th. Filing a belated return will prevent further penalties and interest charges, although the taxpayer may still be liable to pay a late filing fee under Section 234F of the Income Tax Act, Revised ITR. If a taxpayer has already filed their ITR, but later realizes that there are errors or omissions, they can file a revised return by January 15th. This allows taxpayers to correct mistakes such as underreporting income or claiming incorrect deductions without facing severe consequences.